So in your form, what you may want to do is add in a QR code widget as well. So to go ahead and do that, you can go around over here under widgets, and then what you can do is you can scroll down, and here you will be able to see the QR code widget right here. If I were to go ahead and click this, you can see that the QR code widget pops up and you get the default QR with nothing in it. So you can go ahead and change the size of the QR right here as well, like that is in pixel. You can make it large or small as you want. And you can simply add in the message you want to encode, which can be an email, which can be a web address, or it can be any message. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say http://www.youtube.com/tutortube right here. And as I do that, you can see that the QR code actually changes out and will display this out right here. So let's just add in an S right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. You can go ahead and update it, and then if you were to preview out the form, from then you will be able to see the QR code accordingly. If I were to go ahead and turn it off, this is what you have. If I were to go to properties right here, you can change around the alignment of it, add in a label to it as well as you want. Let's say, for example, you can say scan to visit my YouTube channel right here, just like this. So for some reason, if you want to provide such information right here, then you can simply go ahead and use the QR code widget to generate out QR codes accordingly in Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe